Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. About to remove the shroud, and then I'm gonna take a couple of these little hoses loose, and then I don't know, start preparing to hit these motor mounts right there. I know those motor mounts right there, right up in there, right there. These two on that side. Oh man, let me see. Let me see. There go them two right there. And it's holding it right here onto the let me see what that'd be considered. That's like part of the frame, like the cradle, engine cradle. I believe that would be what that would be called. I know these are mounts though. Yeah. So I know all this got to come off on the front end. I don't know if there's any antifreeze in this radiator. I'll drain it. Pop this shroud off. Got a couple more screws to take loose. Yes, sir. Getting it together. Let me see what's on this side holding it. It's a bunch of going back and forth trying to see, because they kind of rigged it a little bit. The previous owner, they kind of rigged it to make things work. And so I'm not gonna rig it going back. I'm gonna definitely make it as close to original as possible. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna go ahead. It's hot as hell out here right now. So we finna start transitioning to doing more overnight work because it be so damn hot in the shop. It's 100+ degrees. But yeah, this is what it's gonna take. We never really get a chance to work on my personal cars because I'll be too busy working on customer cars. But right now we don't have a lot of customer cars, so I'm making time for my car. A little at a time. I'm gonna put probably about an hour or two into this car every day until it's kind of where I want it to be at. So we got a long way to go. Yes, sir. Yeah. Core and to the water pump. Almost got this one off. Yeah, there we go. Got this little piece off. Everything that I'm saving, I'm putting it right here on the front of the windshield. for the box Chevy. Put that on in there. It says on the Shroud. I adjusted the light. This has been disconnected. Like they put a cutoff valve on it because it probably wasn't working how it's supposed to work, and they probably being too cheap to replace it. The guy I got it from. I'm not trying to say it's broke, but I definitely don't think that he was putting money into this car how it should have been done. So that's still dripping. Put my little bucket up under there. Let me find my little bucket. That one off. All right, there we go. Jeez. Gotta put the old yank on there, boy. What's next? Yeah. The plug's still on that one. I'm using this one for reference, because this is what we gotta do with this one. Motor and trans. But I gotta decide what we're gonna do with this one first. Supposedly this transmission supposed to be good, but looking at it, do I want to risk it? No. Is it my motor and transmission? No. It's somebody's that I was helping, and it's here, and it's in my way now. That's what happens when you help too many people. They get in your way, and I'm learning that the hard way. I done help more people than a little bit, and they always wind up being in my way. They wind up hurting me more than they helping me, or hindering me, or slowing me down, instead of adding value to what it is I'm trying to do, and being an asset to my business and, you know, the things I aspire to do. We definitely not using this no more. We have no need for crews. I think that's all I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna go from there.